Are you struggling to search using a custom field in Django Admin? You're not alone. Many developers face this challenge, and today we're going to tackle it together. I completely understand how frustrating it can be when you think you've set everything up correctly, only to run into an error message. It can feel like you're hitting a brick wall. Here's the situation. One user asked, "Why can't I search using the investment field in Django Admin?" They set up a custom field, but keep getting the error, "Cannot resolve keyword investment into field." Sound familiar? Let's find a solution. So what's going on here? The issue arises because Django Admin's search functionality only works with model fields directly. Custom fields, like the investment field, aren't recognized by default. Stay with me. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make your custom field searchable in Django Admin, and I promise it will be worth it. To enable searching by the custom field investment in Django Admin, the user needs to override the getSearchResults method in their reports admin class. Next, the user should implement the logic to filter the query set based on the search term. This will allow the admin to search using the investment field. After implementing the filtering logic, the user should ensure that the investment field is included in the list display to make it visible in the admin interface. Finally, the user should test the search functionality in the Django Admin interface to confirm that searching by the investment field works as expected. Fun fact, Django was named after the famous jazz guitarist Django Reinhardt. Just like his music, Django can be complex, but incredibly rewarding once you get the hang of it. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. This user explains that searching with a custom method, like investment in Django Admin, is not allowed. The search fields must reference actual model fields, specifically text fields like char field or text field. They clarify that the search functionality translates to database queries, which cannot include methods. Therefore, the investment method cannot be used for searching. And there you have it. With just a few lines of code, you can make your custom fields searchable. This small change can save you a lot of time and frustration. Congratulations! You've successfully made your custom field searchable in Django Admin. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks. Keep coding, and see you next time.